Hi everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. This will be a garter stitch crochet pattern. This stitch will give you a nice fabric for garments. It's warming but also elastic and not that stiff like usual crochet. First, make a slip knot. For this, create a circle and put the long strand under the circle. Then pull it through. You'll get a loop. Insert your hook through the loop and tighten. Now we're going to chain stitches. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. When you reach your desired length, chain 1 and turn. We're going to crochet only through the front loops for our stitches. Skip the first stitch at the beginning of each row and stitch through the second stitch. We're going to crochet only slip stitches. For this, yarn over and pull the yarn through all loops on your hook. One more time. Stitch through the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Repeat this across the row. And this is our first row. So for the next row, chain 1 and turn your work. Skip the very first stitch and work through the front loop only. Yarn over and pull through. And then stitch through every stitch across the row. Make sure to have a very loose tension or no tension at all, otherwise you won't be able to stitch through. And that's it. So just chain 1, turn your work and crochet slip stitches across the row through the front loops. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Happy crochet and until next time, bye bye!